The Skytech Chronos gaming PC desktop is a beast built for serious gamers and creators who demand maximum performance and style. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below for the latest pricing details of this gaming PC. With premium components and next-gen graphics, it's designed to handle today's most demanding games at ultra settings without breaking a sweat. At the heart of this machine is the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X processor, clocking in at 4.5 GHz with a max turbo boost of up to 5.4 GHz. This CPU delivers lightning-fast responsiveness, multitasking power, and smooth gameplay across the board. Paired with NVIDIA's RTX 5070 12GB graphics card, you'll experience ray-traced visuals, ultra-detailed environments, and high frame rates in titles like Elden Ring, Call of Duty, and Helldivers 2 at 1440p resolution with over 60 FPS. Storage and memory are no compromise either. The 1TB NVMe SSD ensures rapid boot times and nearly instant load screens, up to 30 times faster than a traditional hard drive. Complementing it is 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at a high-speed 5600 MHz, with vibrant RGB lighting and heat spreaders to keep things cool under pressure. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or creating content, this setup guarantees fluid performance without bottlenecks. Cooling is handled by a high-performance 360mm ARGB AIO liquid cooler, which outclasses traditional air cooling. This ensures your CPU stays cool and quiet even during the most intensive sessions, allowing for full hardware performance without thermal throttling. The included 850W gold-rated power supply keeps your components stable and efficient, even during peak loads. The build is housed in the stylish Skytech Chronos White Edition case with front mesh for optimized airflow and aesthetics. Additional features include Wi-Fi connectivity, Windows 11 Home, multiple USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 ports, HDMI and DisplayPort options, and a free gaming keyboard and mouse bundle. Assembled in the USA, the Chronos comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. If you're looking for a reliable, high-powered gaming PC that looks as good as it performs, the Skytech Chronos is a top-tier choice.